channel. Hope you people are doing great. I'm doing absolutely fine. So today I'm back with another product review. Without talking much, let's get into the video. So today I am reviewing the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum Mask. So this is a separate sheet mask which has the serum on one side and the sheet mask on the other side. This is a super attractive packaging if you see, because every time a sheet mask comes, it comes with the serum in the same package. So as soon as you see the packaging, you can say that they have written it is for plumpy radiant skin, highest concentration of hyaluronic acid, the first Revital Lift Fresh Mix Mask. So when we look at the back, there are few detailings given about the serum and the mask as well. They are given few batch dates, expiry date, manufacturing and MRP and few details, and there is a few details given how the mask to be used. Coming back to the mask, this is a very interesting mask for me because like the serum and the mask is different. And do you know the benefits of hyaluronic acid? No? Let me tell you. When you hear the name hyaluronic acid, you must be thinking, are we putting some other chemicals onto our face or onto the body? No. Hyaluronic acid is a gel-based substance which has a unique feature which can retain moisture in the skin. Do you know that even our body parts also produce hyaluronic acid? Our eyes, connective tissues and joints also produce. This has its own benefits in the separate areas. As we start aging, this acid reduces in the skin and in the body, due to which our skin starts getting dry and which causes wrinkles. So that is why we are using hyaluronic acid, which will help in fighting wrinkles. It even has few healing properties and antioxidants which will help in keeping your skin healthier from inside. How to use the sheet mask?
Take the sheet mask. There are dotted lines behind the sheet mask. So according to the dotted lines, you have to fold the mask. Make sure to fold properly on the dotted lines. Once you have folded properly, now squeeze the serum into the mask. There are few openings on the top, as you can see. From here, the serum will be getting transferred into the sheet mask. So squeeze it a little hard. This is so satisfying to do. Make sure you are transferring all the serum into the sheet mask. This process might take some time, but have some patience and do it, because the result is worth it. As you can see, I have transferred all the serum into the mask. Now let this sit for 15 minutes so that the mask can absorb all the serum which we have transferred.
So there is a small slit given in the bottom. So from here I am going to tear open the mask. Look how juicy the sheet mask is. It's so cold.
Gently apply the sheet mask onto your face and then position it according to your face. Make sure you're allowing the mask to sit properly on the face so that it can absorb all the moisture and the hyaluronic acid from the sheet mask.
So yes, I'm going to leave this on for a good 15 minutes and get back to you with the review.
So 15 minutes is done, guys. Now I'm going to slowly remove the sheet mask. Look at my skin, how hydrated and plump it is looking. Now I'm going to gently massage the leftover serum into my face so that it gets more absorbed. You know, even after 15 minutes of putting the mask on my skin, the sheet mask was still hydrated and was having a lot of serum. Generally, when you use other sheet mask, it will dry up if you use it for 15 minutes on the face. All the serum gets absorbed into your skin and it will be like a normal sheet mask without serum. So this one did not dry, and look at my skin, how radiant and glowing it is. It has deeply hydrated my skin, as you can see. So do not wash your face after applying the sheet mask. I will highly recommend you to use it before sleeping so that whatever hyaluronic acid is on your face, it will get absorbed deep and you will have a nice nourished face in the next morning. Do not try it before applying makeup because this is a very heavy hydrating mask.
Overall review. This product is a bomb product, I will say. It has soothed my skin from inside, has made it very soft and supple. It was a very good experience using this mask. Do you know that this mask does not drip? According to what they have claimed, it does not drip. Whenever I was using the whole sheet mask, the serum did not drip, and there was an extra serum left which I used to apply it on my hands and my neck area as well. So it was a good deal for the price they have put. So coming to the price point, this is a 33 gram product which is retailing for 199 rupees, and you can purchase this online as well as offline. In online you can go ahead buy in Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon, Purple.com. It's available on all platforms, and in offline you can go ahead buy it from the local drugstores. And this sheet mask can be used only once. Thank you for watching till the last. This is all for today's video. If you gained a little knowledge or enjoyed this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you would be notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, keep shining. Bye.